Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you an easy way to scale the time axis. Let's commence. Scaling the time axis. What's that and why do we need it? Let me illustrate. You can see this initial dashboard showing you how a person consumes liquids daily. No prizes for guessing. The person in question is me. On the left, there is a bar chart with the time axis configured by default, meaning it starts with the first measurement for the day and ends with the last one. Cool but not handy because we must take a look at the axis captions to find out when this or that measurement was performed. On the right, there is another bar chart where the time axis starts at 0 hours and ends at 23 hours and 59 minutes. This is more convenient because you can hide figures and still guess more or less correctly the relative position of the measurement. Was it morning or midday or whatever? Cute, right? Now I will show you how to format our initial bar chart to make it look like the desired one. A bunch of preparations. Of course, firstly, let's change the colors of our initial um, bar chart. Let's remove the final result. So let's remove this arrow. Um, let's remove also this auxiliary table. Let's make it bigger. And also let's remove title. Here we are. You'd say Power BI is cool, so it should have some settings somewhere to set it up pretty easily. It's almost true. The right settings are here. Uh, but without some additional actions, it won't be possible to reach our goal. With the help of date and time picker, for example, you can choose some time for the day, but for a precise day. So that's the problem. If you try to input something like that, the system highlights this field in red, um, telling you that something's wrong, that the value is not accepted. We will get back to the settings in a while. Let's just switch for a minute to Excel and perform one more um, auxiliary thing. Okay, all we need to do is create a table containing one column and two rows with the start value and the end one. Now, the easiest way is to use Excel. If you like, you can use DAX or something like that. Okay, the table is created. We save it. Now it's time to import this table. we need to transform data a little bit because by default, so that's it. Okay, now we have our auxiliary table in place, so we can get back to the settings we played with earlier. Okay, now we can use the settings to complete the task. Let's click this FX button here. Choose our table. For the start, we will choose the earliest time, and for end, we will choose latest. As you can see, the bar chart is now properly formatted, so the work is done. Hope you will find this video useful. Um, I will share a link to download this Power BI file in the comments so you can use it and try. Likes, subscriptions, and comments below are appreciated. See you. Take care. Bye.